In the last class, we introduced geometric progression, in which we learned that a sequence of numbers a2, a3 and so on, all numbers will be non-zero. So this sequence of numbers will be a GP if a2 over a1 is equal to a3 over a2 equals a4 over a3 and so on, say equals to R. That is, each term except for the first term bears a constant ratio to its immediately preceding term. Here R is called as the constant ratio, and we also learned that the general form of the GP is AR square, AR cube and so on. And nth term is given by a into r raised to the power n minus 1. This we learnt in previous class. Now today we will discuss sum of first n terms of a geometric progression. For this, consider a geometric progression with first term a and common ratio r. Sum of first n terms is denoted by Sn, and it will be equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 and so on till an. That is the sum of first n terms. Now a1 means first term, so it will be a, plus a2 means second term, it will be ar, a3 means third term, that is ar square, plus so on till nth term will be a into r raised to the power n minus 1. Now I want to obtain the expression for Sn. So what I'll do, I'll multiply this by r on both sides. So here I'll get r into Sn. This a when multiplied with r will give you ar. This will give you ar square. This will become ar cube plus so on, and here I'll get a into r raised to the power n. Right? Yes, this is the first equation. This is the second relation. What I have to do, I'll subtract this from this. Yes. Now this is the first relation. A plus AR square plus so on till a into r raised to the power n minus 1. Yes. Now this is the first relation. This is the second relation. Now I'll subtract this from this. Yes. The first relation is Sn equals to this. From this I have to subtract this. So here I'll write r into Sn. The first term is AR. I'll write it here. Below this, it will be easier to subtract. Then AR square, then AR cube, plus so on. Here I'll get a into r raised to the power n minus 1, then plus a into r raised to the power n. Yes, change the sign. Yes, here I'll get 1 minus r into Sn will be equal to, this will get cancelled out, this will get cancelled out, this will get cancelled out. I'll be left with a and minus a into r raised to the power n. So from here, Sn will be equal to, take the common factor a outside, 1 minus r raised to the power n over 1 minus r, provided r is not equal to 1. That is, when common ratio is not equal to 1, the sum of first n terms of a GP is given by a into 1 minus r raised to the power n over 1 minus r, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. Now the question is, what will happen if r is equal to 1. When r is equal to 1, GP A into AR, AR square, AR cube and so on will become A and so on. That means each term of the GP will be A because R is 1. We call such a GP as constant GP. Right? Now, if each term of the GP is A, what will be the sum of first n terms? That is A plus A plus A, so on till A. How many times? N times. The sum will be equal to NA. Right? Now let's take the question. Find the sum of first 5 terms of the GP 1, 2 by 3, 4 by 9. Yes, for this GP, I need to compute the sum of first 5 terms. That is, I need to compute S5. Right? Now, for a GP, Sn is equal to A into 1 minus r raised to the power n over 1 minus r. As I need to compute S5, so role of n will be played by 5. So S5 will be equal to A into 1 minus r raised to the power 5 over 1 minus r. Now here, A is the first term. So first term of the GP is 1. So A is equal to 1. R is the common ratio of the GP. Common ratio of the GP is given by A2 over A1. That is 2 by 3 over 1, which is 2 by 3. So on substituting the values, S5 will be equal to, yes, A is 1 into 1 minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 5 over 1 minus 2 by 3. So on simplifying, I'll get here 1 minus 32 over 243 whole divided by 1 by 3, and which will give you 211 over 81. So S5 is equal to 211 over 81. Next question is, how many terms of the GP, this is the GP, are needed to give the sum 3069 over 512? That means we are asked that sum of how many terms of this GP is equal to this. So let n be the number of terms needed. Then according to the question, Sn is equal to 3069 over 512 and we need to find out n. Yes, Sn is equal to A into 1 minus r raised to the power n over 1 minus r equals 3069 over 512. Now here A is the first term of the GP. First term of the GP is 3. So A is 3. R is the common ratio, which is A2 over A1, that is 3 by 2 over 3. So that will give you 1 by 2. On substituting the values, I'll get 3 into 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power n over 1 minus 1 by 2 equals this. So I'll get 3 into 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power n into 2 will be equal to 3069 over 512. Transposing these terms to the other side, I'll get 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power n equals, yes, cancel out this. This is 1023 over 512 into 2 will give you 1024. So from here I'll get 1 by 2 raised to the power n equals 1 over 1024, which is the 10th power of 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 raised to the power 10. So on comparison, I'll get n equals 10. So How many terms are needed? 10 terms are needed to get this sum.